your insurance agents came to you and then they went on and on about terms. They want you to sign on to an insurance policy, but they are talking about terms. So they want to go into understanding insurance and then its terms. Now we have some terms like premium. When we say premium, what does it mean? Sum assured, what does it mean? Prorate, what does it mean? Qualification period, what does it mean? Critical illness, what does it mean? I know someone is interested, especially in the critical illness. Don't worry, I'm here to do all of that, to explain all of that to you. Death and disability, what does it mean? And partial withdrawal. So we'll touch on it. And after that, if you want to get into a wealth plan, I'll touch on how to get a wealth plan for yourself as well. So let's go. When we say premiums are the contributions you give to the company. It's an agreement you go with the company that I'm going to commit this amount every month, every year. So it could be as much as you want and as much as you can afford. And so that has to do with premium. So I'll use myself as an example. As I speak with you, I contribute 180 cedis to my life plan. You could do more. Again, it depends on your pocket. Okay. And the sum assured is the amount that your family is going to benefit, or you are going to benefit after the policy comes to an end, or when you're supposed to make your cash claims. It could vary. There's a particular sum assured for life. There's a particular sum assured for wealth. There's a particular sum assured for an educational plan. There's a particular sum assured for a farewell or a funeral plan. So with my life plan, the sum assured I am to, not myself, but my family is to receive in the event of my demise is 200,000, and I'm paying 180 cedis. If this is something that excites you, my number is on the screen. Reach out and let's talk more. Now let's move to prorate. Now life happens, so probably you committed yourself to the insurance policy, but as time goes on, you are not able to pay consistently, or you are not religious in your payments. When the time comes that you have to be paid your claims, for example, you did a policy for 5 years, and after 5 years, in the course of the 5 years, you paid for, say, 2 years, you left out some payments, but the policy didn't, you didn't cancel the policy didn't lapse. We will do a calculation to give you an amount that is fair to you. That's what we call, you prorate your benefits. Please, you get it. And then we have a qualification period. When do I get my benefit? Some people say 6 months, some people say 1 year. So yes, that's a qualification period. For example, with my policy, I signed on to the policy this year, March, and it's a 6-month period. So when we do the math, I think I can benefit after November or September, one of them. Please, you get it. So that qualification period. If it's a farewell policy, the qualification period is a year. Please, you get it. So that is what we call qualification period. Now, critical illness. This one, sometimes it brings a lot of confusion amongst potential clients, because as I speak with you, yesterday, another client who signed on with another company is complaining that when her dad was ill, the company was not taking care of him. And I told her that sometimes critical illness, there's a list that when we say critical illness, it covers. So what I know is that typhoid is not part. Okay. Malaria is not part. Okay. Ulcer is not part. That's what I know. I stand to be corrected though, but that's what I know. And also that when we say critical illness, we're looking at those very dangerous diseases or dangerous illness that could end your life. You're talking about stroke, Alzheimer's, cancer. See, the men can develop prostate cancer, the ladies can develop breast cancer. Those very dangerous diseases. So most of the time, anytime you hear critical illness, just bear in mind, because of the critical there, it means a serious or a dangerous disease. Someone will be arguing that malaria can also kill, ulcer can kill and all that. I get it. But per the list, critical illness here refers to what I mentioned before, that is the cancers, the strokes, the blindness and the rest. So the death and disability over here has to do with the passing on of your parents. We'll talk about disability, but with the passing on of your parents, there's evidence to the fact that the parents have passed. And what is the evidence? The evidence is a death certificate. Your doctor can give you that. Please, you get it. You can go to the morgue for that as well. So that when you get it, because when you come for the claims, we will need you to show us that. Please, I hope it's clear. Partial means half. Withdrawal means when you're taking an amount from an existing, like a coffers or an existing policy. So you have contributed to a point and you want to do a withdrawal, but you are not withdrawing everything. You are withdrawing half or up to half. That's what we call partial withdrawal. Please, I hope you are good. All right. So the question I have for you now is that, is your business profit such that you can set aside 1,400 cedis a month, or you can set aside 2,900 cedis a month or more? If you are in this particular bracket, reach out. Let me put you on a wealth plan. After 5 years, you're looking at cashing out 100,000 and cashing out 200,000 respectively. If you want to cash out more, there's an amount you can set aside every month as well. Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Reach out to me. I've left my contact details on the screen. We are doing this, or I do this, so that we ensure the whole of Ghana, one life at a time. Thank you.